Continuing our journey of Utah wedding professional excellence, let's visit with Culinary Crafts. They are an 8-time Utah Best of State recipient.
Welcome to the Natural History Museum of Utah. Well, this is a school day, so you may hear a little children in the background, but in the evening, this place transforms into one of Utah's newest and best wedding venues. I'm Mary Crafts with Culinary Crafts, and with me today I have
Tracy Waters with the Natural History Museum.
And
Holly Fowler, Culinary Crafts.
We're so glad to be here and talk to you about choosing a venue and then designing your linens and your florals to go with it. So today we're in the Canyon Room to start with, and Holly, I'm going to have you tell us a little bit about the linens and the floral that you selected for this great Canyons room.
Well, we have gone with the natural and the wood tones that are showcased here in the canyons. We've used a wood bowl for our floral, natural florals. We've gone a sheer or a crushed linen or even a pattern linen. And then the beautiful Lemoire is always a good pick for a linen for a venue.
I love that, and how that it really goes with the look and feel of Utah. Very rustic, very mountain, but yet with kind of a sharp edge for this great venue that Tracy's put forward. Now tell us where you'd like to see brides host their weddings here in the museum.
Well, obviously the Canyon's a great choice, but for a little bit of a smaller, more intimate wedding, we have the Sky Gallery, which is a really fantastic space on the 5th floor with probably the best view of the valley in the whole city.
Okay, well, let's go up there and see what she's talking about with that venue. Oh, Tracy, you were right. This is a great space. What do brides love about this space?
Well, it's definitely unique. It's a space that you can do so many different things with. It's already very unique, kind of sparkly, lots of great colors. And then we have this unbelievable rooftop terrace with, as I said, probably the best view of the valley. It really lends itself to a really romantic, really special, something very unique that's going to be very memorable.
I love that. And rooftop venues are a hot commodity in New York, and we've got one right here in Salt Lake City. Holly, tell us about the linens and the floral you selected for up here.
So what we've done up here, because the Sky Room has a more modern feel to it, we've gone a silver pintuck, and we've got a more modern floral with some funky designs in it to go with also our silver chairs that have a more modern feel to them up here in this space.
As you can see, at Culinary Crafts, we'd love to help you select linens, florals, your venue, anything to do with weddings. Come see us and visit us on our website, culinarycrafts.com.
Of course, you can also find the award-winning Culinary Crafts at brightaccess.com.
I'm KSL meteorologist Kevin Eubank. Would you like to know what the weather's going to be like on your important day? Whether it's a week away, a month away, or several months away, brightaccess.com has the exclusive KSL wedding weather planner.